let them out.
They're out in the grass. Are they still nursing?
A little bit.
Now she wants to play with them.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Cute. This is recording for the website. Look at Rain.
Go, Rain, go. Go, Rain, go. Go, go, go. Go. Ready, go. Ready, go. He's my favorite.
He's so cute.
Yes. No, your mom's freaking out. Hello. I'm ready to be found.
Rain.
Dork. Oh,
I got a little chocolate.
so cute. Here's mine.
Look at little Snickers over there.
I like that one.
The white one? This one's my favorite. Look at this one's black ear.
River. Rain. Rain, no.
So he's got one black and one merle ear.
Yeah.
Bunny.
Okay.
He's like, I'm just gonna pee on you. It's okay. Red River. It's red wing. Libby, is that your favorite? That one there?
Wow, this one needs to be held more. Holy cow.
Well, they're probably cold too. They're never.
Hold more because it's so cold.
Yeah, this is their first day out.
Yeah.
So they're going to be a little bit,
Shaking.
they're going to shake a little, but that's, yeah, I mean, that's more nervousness, but boy, 2 more days of this and they'll be running like crazy. Sure.
Smile for
Bring 'em-
Still out here practicing? It's all full.